This video of ours is based on a great history. Do you know about this great history of Belgium? Let's watch the video till the end. Nestled at the crossroads of Western Europe, Belgium's history is a remarkable tale of cultural fusion, political transformation, and significant contributions to the global landscape. From its ancient roots to its pivotal role in European affairs, the history of Belgium is a captivating journey that has shaped its unique identity. In this video, we delve into the rich tapestry of Belgium's past. Ancient origins and Roman influence. Belgium's history stretches back to ancient times when it was inhabited by various Celtic tribes. The region, known as Gaul, fell under the dominion of the Roman Empire, leading to the establishment of towns, roads, and infrastructure. Cities like Trier, now in Germany, and Tongeren bear witness to this period, with remnants of Roman architecture still visible. Medieval Belgium, feudal lords and trading hubs. The Middle Ages saw the emergence of feudal lords who ruled over various territories within present-day Belgium. The Duchy of Brabant, County of Flanders, and other principalities flourished, contributing to the region's economic and cultural growth. The cities of Bruges and Ghent became vital trading centers, connecting northern Europe to Mediterranean trade routes. Burgundian and Habsburg rule. Belgium's fate shifted in the 15th century when the territory came under Burgundian rule. The Burgundian dukes brought economic prosperity and cultural patronage, fostering the Renaissance spirit. The subsequent Habsburg rule continued this legacy, intertwining Belgian history with the larger Habsburg Empire. The road to independence, the Belgian Revolution. The 19th century marked a turning point for Belgium. Tensions between the Dutch-speaking North and the French-speaking South escalated, culminating in the Belgian Revolution of 1830. The Belgian people sought independence from the United Kingdom of the Netherlands, leading to the establishment of the Independent Kingdom of Belgium in 1831. Leopold's colonial ventures, Congo and global recognition. King Leopold II's reign brought both prosperity and controversy to Belgium. While his exploitation of the Congo for personal gain remains a dark chapter, his vision also led to the 1885 Berlin Conference, which recognized the Congo Free State as his personal possession. This period bolstered Belgium's international standing, although with complex moral implications. World Wars and European integration. Belgium's strategic location made it a battleground during both World Wars. The devastating impact of World War I left scars on the nation, while World War II brought occupation and resistance. The post-war era saw Belgium actively participating in the formation of international institutions like the European Coal and Steel Community, a precursor to the European Union. Cultural pinnacle, Belgian art and literature. Belgium's cultural heritage is a treasure trove of artistic brilliance. The Flemish primitives, including Jan van Eyck and Hieronymus Bosch, revolutionized painting during the Northern Renaissance. In the literary sphere, figures like Victor Hugo and Maurice Maeterlinck left indelible marks on world literature. Modern Belgium, multilingual society and unity. Belgium's contemporary identity is a product of its linguistic and cultural diversity. Divided into three regions, Flanders, Dutch-speaking, Wallonia, French-speaking, and Brussels, bilingual, the country embraces a federal structure that accommodates regional differences. While linguistic tensions occasionally arise, Belgium has maintained a delicate balance through compromise.
As we reflect on Belgium's history, we uncover a nation shaped by influences from across Europe, marked by conflicts, cooperation, and a commitment to multiculturalism. From its ancient Celtic tribes to its pivotal role in modern European affairs, Belgium's history is a story of resilience, innovation, and the enduring pursuit of unity amid diversity. As the nation continues to contribute to global diplomacy, culture, and progress, its history remains an ongoing narrative of adaptability and transformation.